Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Friendster on your device. So to start, go to App Store. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in Friendster. Now look for Friendster and tap on it. So I've already installed it, but if you have not installed it yet, you should see an install button right there. Then just tap on that, and once installed, click on open. Now in here, you need to create your profile. So you need to put in your display name and bio. Once done, tap on continue. And that's basically it. You'll be signed in into Friendster. So once you click your profile icon right here, you can click on edit profile and you can put in your profile photo. So just tap on choose photo and it will open your gallery. Once done, tap on save. Now, if you click on the message icon, that's where you can see your messages. You can add new message. If you click the bell icon, that's for your notifications, reactions, comments, and new messages will show up in here. If you click those two persons icon, that's where you can add friends. So tap on add friend to add a new friend. If you click the home icon, that's where you can write a post and see your feed. And that's based install Friendster on your device. Thank you for watching.